purchased the house approximately 8 months ago. The house was 13 years old at the time. It had an older traditional style kitchen, and I preferred something more modern with a better layout, and also something that just functioned better and looked better. The kitchen layout was pretty much like it is right now. The island was probably 30% smaller. The cabinets were pretty much unusable because of how they were set up. The countertops were marble, and the cabinets were kind of a yellowish color, which I'm not sure if that happened over the years or if they were that color going in. But everything was kind of a yellow, and it was very depressing. We found my kitchen and bath online through much research. We read many reviews that were very positive, and we had interviewed 4 other companies before we decided to hire my kitchen and bath. So we put a lot of research into this. This is our 4th kitchen over the past 10 years that we've remodeled. We knew you needed to do a lot of research up front. I knew exactly what I wanted before I went in. She did help me with some of the layout ideas. She suggested a few things that I really did not consider, which helped me as far as replacing cabinets with more drawers. And I'm really glad she did that because it opened up more space for storage than the cabinets would have given me. So Naomi was the designer, and we were very pleased with what she came up with. We found everything in the showroom with the exception of the countertops. We did have to go to MSI I think it was in Dulles or Sterling, which was fine, but it took me 4 trips there to find exactly the one that I wanted because I was that picky, but I did find what I wanted. We're very happy with how it looks, and I've had half a dozen neighbors come over, and everybody asked who did the job, so I'm assuming you will be getting business from them in the near future. I would highly recommend them to my friends and neighbors, which I have done.